Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and in this video we're just going to show you the condition of this plate, a serving plate, probably late Victorian, 1880s through to 1890s by the design and shape. Can't be any more precise than that because this has no factory marks or discernible date stamps or anything tying it to a specific manufacturer. Seen on the front is very characteristic of the romanticised Continental views, almost Italianate, with the sort of temples, bridges, really sort of Tudor looking costumed couple standing on the balcony with the Warwick style vase, and very characteristic sort of Italian, almost Roman or Greek vessel on the lake, out of scale characters on the corresponding bank. It's of no particular scene. It is a sort of romanticised rural view, really. Cobalt blue with burnished gilt, highly moulded little ribbons of shell-like design all around this piece that really make me think this is 1880s, 1890s Victoriana rather than earlier pieces. Pearlware, of course. Just one condition note: all the glaze subject to this very fine crazing with a little bit of background staining. If I just bring that into focus, you'll see, but really doesn't detract from the overall quality of the display piece. Let me just show you the reverse. Typical sort of flow blue moulding markings here, more of that characteristic tiny little glaze crazing. You can see where the antique chips and wear on the rim, just little nicks out of it. Again, absolutely right for the patina of something this old. Nothing that detracts from the overall effect. And it's a very fine and pretty piece. We can't find or identify the pattern. There's a couple of little knife marks on there, antique knife marks, but overall it's in fine condition for its age, which is probably around 120 years. Probably come out of an English factory, probably Staffordshire, could be Yorkshire, could be even Scottish. You just can't tell. These pieces were produced all around really at this age. You've got no way of identifying it unless you can find a match that's been nicely marked. And we've done image searches on Google extensively, spent about 25 minutes going through this one, seeing if I could find a match, and I can't. So that doesn't mean it's rare, of course. It just means it's very difficult to catalogue for me and anybody else. If they're all produced without any marks or identification, then you're back to describing it as seen rather descriptively rather than with any authority. Description link below will take you through to the website listing on the Vintage and Antiques website for this piece. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.